Day in the life of a 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's go. I woke up today to $876. But, not gonna lie, it's already 10:59 a.m. But trust, I woke up around 8:50-ish a.m. But the first hour I was FaceTiming my girl, and the second hour I tried putting my contacts on, my eyes low-key hurt. So to spend an hour with my glasses, like, just scrolling through TikTok, not gonna lie. But hey, now we're good. It is a new day. And so pretty much today, I actually delegated most of my meetings on Wednesday. Not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but what I do know is my boy Mino, who flew down from New York to Chicago for a couple days, is actually coming through in 30 minutes at 11:30. So gotta get my quick morning routine done. My routine, bro.
What's that, huh?
Hey.
We got meat out here.
I think within accepting that comes. I basically started this account, which was a lot more serious and like productivity related, like self-help content. My general barometer for like no texter versus yes texter is simply, does it add clutter? He actually stole this.
Drink with me till I black out.
So like it's 20% on it's like across the board is what it.
Is this cool? I gotta go now.
Maybe turn it off, but let's say I killed his ass. Okay, Mino just Ubered over to the airport to fly back to New York, so could finally wrap up the day. It's always great hanging out with Mino. If you didn't know, Mino is the guy that first blew me up. Like, he took me from 10K followers on TikTok to 55K in a span of like 2 to 3 months. And then he took me from 300K IG followers this year, now over 420K on IG. He's taught me a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I have to credit a lot of my social media success to him and his ideas. He just knows so much little things about content that I just can't see for myself until he explains it to me. So we were having a conversation right before he left on my brand and my image and what is the direction I want to take my content. He told me a word in Korean, I forgot what it was. It was a Korean word for vibe or aura. Every individual human being in this planet has a certain vibe to them, but there's like one characteristic about that vibe that stands out. And so I was curious, I was like, what do you think is that characteristic about me? And he basically told me, like, I have this serious business vibe from the outside looking in, but if you actually hang out or meet me in person, you see this almost cute childlike vibe. Like, but I don't disagree with it. From the outside looking in, I am this like successful entrepreneur and make over 100K a month online, $2 million profit online the past couple years. So yeah, I've walked the walk and I live a dope life. But in the inside, like, I'm still like a child that likes to have fun and wants to play and just overall just live life the way I want to live and not have to listen to my parents or listen to an adult. Like, I just want to do what I want to do. Honestly, not sure how I'm going to show that in my content moving forward, but I'll think about it. And maybe you'll see these next couple daily vlogs how I could really unleash and bring out that personality. But yeah, as always, official numbers for the day: $3,063. But yeah, if you are interested in learning how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course breaking out exactly how I made $2 million profit. Just type messages on my phone. And you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube. Check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be saucy. So again, check out this playlist right here and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.